The sun's magnetic flip is a phenomenon that has been fascinating scientists and astronomers for decades. It's an event that occurs every 11 years, and it's so significant that it has the potential to impact our daily lives here on Earth. At the peak of this cycle, known as solar maximum, the sun's magnetic activity increases, causing sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections. During this period, the magnetic field lines shift and eventually flip, meaning the magnetic north and south poles switch places. This flip can affect space weather and has implications for satellites and communications. As the sun's magnetic field flips, it's likely to cause a range of challenges and concerns. Some scientists believe that the flip could lead to a period of intense solar activity, which in turn could bring about extreme weather patterns and dramatic shifts in temperature. The sun's magnetic field is responsible for powering the Earth's magnetic field, which in turn is what protects us from harmful solar radiation. If the sun's magnetic field were to suddenly flip, it could cause widespread power outages, disrupt communication systems, and even bring down entire economies. Additionally, the magnetic flip could also have a significant impact on our satellites and spacecraft. These machines rely on the Earth's magnetic field to navigate and communicate, and a sudden shift in the magnetic field could cause them to malfunction or even crash. The spectacular light shows that we see in the polar regions are caused by the interaction between the Earth's magnetic field and the solar wind. If the sun's magnetic field were to flip, it could alter the trajectory of the solar wind, leading to some truly breathtaking aurora displays. As the sun's core spins, the magnetic field twists and turns, eventually building up enough energy to cause the magnetic poles to flip. Scientists have been observing the sun's magnetic flip for centuries, and they've noticed a peculiar pattern. Every 11 years, the sun's magnetic field flips, and this event is always preceded by a period of intense solar activity. This activity can include massive solar flares, coronal mass ejections, and even giant sunspots. What scientists found is that the sun's magnetic field is far more complex than previously thought, with multiple layers of magnetism that interact and intersect in complex ways. This new research has significant implications for our understanding of the sun's magnetic flip. It suggests that the flip may not be a sudden event, but rather a gradual process that builds up over time. This could mean that the effects of the flip may be more subtle and long-term, rather than sudden and dramatic. By studying the sun's internal dynamics, we can gain a better understanding of how the magnetic flip works and what we can expect when it happens. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below.